We're gonna be doing a compressor change out. Little True TPP-44. The compressor, captive and drier. Got my 2C. Alright. Stay tuned, see how this goes. Your compressor's installed. And the dryer is captive there. It's operating now. Got suction pressure of 19 psi and about 150 head. I just started up, so I'm gonna hop off and see if it drops temperature. Everything should be fine. Everything nice and tight, everything secure. I'll make nice here. Okay, box is at 35 degrees. We're looking good. Pressure is good. So I'll pick it up. Press the label. I left the original access for the low side here in the front on the condenser. So if the next guy comes, get at least a pressure reading from here. So that's cool. I just thought that was cool, at least for the next guy. Everything's operational. We're gonna go ahead and wrap this up. Alright. Okay guys, just finished with the that cap tube and compressor about 20-30 minutes ago. So it was hard for me to film in there. You guys were busy in the kitchen, you know, prepping all the stuff. You know how it is when you're working in busy kitchens. You gotta get in and out of there as soon as possible. So everything went smooth. Replaced the cap tube, dryer, compressor, put a good vacuum unit, reach temperature, compressor cycle off. I watch it cycle on and off a few times. So everything went smooth. I want to send a shout out to the air conditioning guy. He sent me a cool hat, and yeah, I just want to send him a shout out and thank him for sending me that hat. I'll definitely be rocking it, you know, and maybe in some of my videos. But yeah, I know he's a good guy. He does a lot of good installs for mainly, I believe he only does air conditioning. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed to his channel, go ahead and subscribe to his channel. He's a cool guy. Yeah, but this one, yeah, was what I was told that this unit had issues with the cap tube. So that's why we went ahead and put a new cap tube. Compressor went south. Put a new cap tube, new dryer, all that good stuff. Put a vacuum. But yeah, nothing else, you know, was replaced on this little True refrigerator. So yeah, it's hard for me to make videos. You know, I've been so busy. It's not easy making videos and just working. You know, it's hard. Sometimes, you know, I do get some recording and then something happens and I don't finish the video, and yeah, it's just hard. So I'm gonna try my best to start making more videos of the stuff, or the stuff I do, units I work on, ice machine stuff, smaller units, walk-in coolers, walk-in freezers. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, like my videos, share my videos, and then stay tuned. I'll be posting up more videos soon. Okay, have a good one. Thanks for watching.